But this is biochemistry with Dr. David Brown. We are enacting the Q cycle. That's why we moved the desks away.
Okay. If this is the intermembrane space, put the QO site out here somewhere. We need the QO site labeled, so put it down. Put it down there somewhere. Yeah, put it on the floor. Okay. Now, put the QI site down there somewhere in relation to it.
QO's there.
Is it closer to the matrix or is it closer to the intermembrane space?
Yeah.
Closer to the matrix, Amber says. So put it down closer to the matrix.
Where's the matrix? Yes, that's the matrix.
The matrix is going to be down on that side.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's
I am
going to
the
happen
matrix.
is a QH2 that has 2 electrons is going to come into the QI side. So they're taking 2 electrons and go to the QO side. You go to the QO side. Now that you're at the QO side, what are you doing with your 2 electrons? Where do you send your first one?
That way. Right. There's something around the right.
Okay. You're an iron sulfur protein. Put yourself down there somewhere. Within reach. Okay. Now, pass an electron
Iron
to the
sulfur
iron sulfur
protein.
protein. Okay, what are you going to do with that electron?
I'm going to pass it on to the cytochrome.
Your cytochrome C1. Put yourself in proper relation. Okay. What are you going to do with your electron?
Run away with it. Cytochrome C.
Cytochrome C. Where is cytochrome C?
Outside.
Okay. Now, you're going to want to be facing the intermembrane space so that you can pass the electron. You're a cytochrome C. Come pick one up. If you just picked up an electron, where are you going to take this electron?
I saw.
You're going to go to complex 4. Now, we're not diagramming complex 4, but at complex 4, what happens to that electron?
It gets introduced.
It goes to oxygen, ultimately to form water.
Yeah.
Once you dump off your electron, what do? You come back and pick up another one. So what you will do is cytochrome C will take the electron, come around through metabolism. Now we need to have a complete clear channel through here. No chairs in the way. We're going to come back over to here. Ubiquinone, that's QH2. Okay. Now, at this point, what you will do is you're going to, through the process of metabolism, you'll deliver your electrons to Q. So we need a Q. So you're a Q. At this point, you're a Q, and you're sitting down here waiting for electrons. So you pass an electron to Q. Now, are you a QH2 yet?
No.
You're a Q dot minus.
So does she have to go all the way back to get him?
You now, as a cytochrome C, continue around the circle and wait for Ryan to give you another electron.
Yay.
When you get 2 electrons, you are, instead of being a Q, are now a QH2, and you move up to the QH2 pool. When the QO site is empty, you're free to move into it. Until then, you're just part of the Q pool. Okay? So, what are you going to do with your second electron? You're just going to keep it and keep it forever.
Keep it forever.
All right.
Not
What is he going to do with his second electron, folks?
Keep it.
Same thing. Give me.
No, that is incorrect.
I told
You send one to the iron sulfur cluster. Where do you send your second one?
to the Q dot but through stuff, right?
We got to. Yeah. Where do you send it?
This is just a general overview.
You just drop it out in the middle of a protein somewhere. You just have lightning bolts shooting around in your
But
membrane.
I thought there was something between
There is.
B list and cytochrome B high. I don't
Is
that
there
I don't
Q
remember.
and then L and then
There's a heme and then there's an L in it. There's a little letter in front of that L.
Q,
No?
X, A,
No?
B, C.
What's my favorite letter?
B.
Heme BL.
B is his favorite letter because 30 questions, 30 answers out of the
Okay.
test were B.
Bailey, you're heme BL. Get over here.
30 in a row.
Put yourself in relation so that you're close enough to pick up an electron from there. Now you're going to pass that electron directly to QI. Where are you going to send it? BH. So back up a little bit because we need to put a BH in there.
Read.
Okay, Christian, you're heme BH.
alright.
Put yourself in relation. Now you're going to get an electron from where? Sit it down so you know where to stand. Now you're going to get an electron from BL. You're going to pass it to the QI site. Now as soon as you get rid of your second electron, you can't stay here anymore. You have to immediately move over to here. As soon as this site is open, the next QH2 the next QH2
Too heavy.
the next QH2 enters the QO site and passes its 2 electrons.
So it just does it simultaneously to both sides?
Now, okay, while you're doing your job, you just picked up your second electron. You no longer have electrons, so you have to come down here and wait to pick up 2 more.
This is
So
confusing.
you come back and pick up 2 more eventually. When you get 2 more, you come back in line and wait. Yeah, he'll get in a second, one eventually. You've got 2 electrons now. You are the one that recycles. 2. So you go back here. And you do the same thing. And as soon as you lose yours, when this side is open, you can come back.
So how many electrons would it take to make this thing, never...
Cytochrome C is walking around again.
You are shuttling back and forth.
Well, one of those two is about to get a second one, so they can go right back there. Oh.
Okay, there's your second electron.
Grab your electronic